Are you ready to experience enjoyable floor care? The Mopit will transform one of the most dreaded tasks into an effective and enjoyable one. Soda spills and heavily soiled areas are no match for the Mopit. They'll be cleaned up quickly and effectively, and your floor will be left dry. Unlike a mop, the Mopit applies a continuous supply of clean soapy water, scrubs the floor, and then vacuums up the dirt and germs into a separate tank. This video will train you on Mopit use and Mopit maintenance. Unpacking and setup. If your Mopit's shipped in 2 boxes, you can skip ahead to 1 minute and 55 seconds in the video. The Mopit Mini comes fully assembled, making it easy to unbox and set up. Start with the box upside down and open it from the bottom. Remove the starter kit from the box. Then gently roll the box right side up while holding the cardboard flaps back away from the open end. Now, pull the box up off the machine. Cut the packing straps and latch the 3 buckles found on both sides and back of the machine. Keep the box in packing materials in case the machine needs to be returned at a later date. 2 box unpacking and setup. Open and remove all packing materials from the boxes. Tip the box containing the base on its side, wheels side down, and slide the bottom half out. Set the top half close to the bottom half with their backs facing each other. Make sure all switches are in the off position. Rotate the handlebars to their upright position. Connect the 2 halves of the wiring harness together. Rotate and set the top tank on the bottom tank, making sure the wiring harness is comfortably seated in the cutout on the left. Fasten the 3 latches. Firmly insert the squeegee and vacuum hoses into the receiver ports and push the hoses into their keepers. Keep all boxes and packing materials in case you need to return the Mopit at a later date. To transport the Mopit, push the transport pedal and then tilt the Mopit back like an upright vacuum. It's easiest to push the Mopit Mini forward instead of pulling it backwards. Before using the Mopit, you need to fill it with water and add soap. This is where you fill it with water and add the soap. You can use our optional fill hose to make this easier. You can watch the water level gauge to see how full the Mopit is. After filling the tank with water, add 1 pouch of Mopit floor cleaner.
Never add bleach to the freshwater tank, as this will destroy components in the freshwater system. It is, however, perfectly safe to vacuum up liquids containing bleach from off the floor.
Use the quick release handle to adjust the handlebar to your desired height. Press the scrub pedal down. The Mopit is now ready to use. Turn on all 3 switches and walk. You can leave the main handle loose for easy transition from normal height to folded position for cleaning under objects. You can use the available auxiliary handle when you're cleaning underneath tables and other short objects. On heavily soiled or greasy floors, lift the squeegee and then make one pass, allowing the soapy water to stay on the floor. On your second pass, drop the squeegee to leave the floor dry. You can change out how much water is going onto the floor by adjusting the manual water valve. When the valve is horizontal, the water is full on, and when the valve is vertical, it is full off. Anywhere between horizontal and vertical will reduce the amount of water going onto the floor. After each Mopit use, you will need to drain the dirty water. Draining the Mopit is easy. Just take the drain hose cap off and put the hose in a floor drain, or dump it into a bucket, and then dump the bucket into a toilet. Whenever the Mopit is not being used, it should be plugged in to charge. The charger is fully automatic, so no harm is done to the batteries if the Mopit is left plugged in for an extended period of time. The red light indicates charging, and the light will go green when fully charged. To avoid odor buildup, you should regularly clean out the dirty water recovery tank. To prevent water from reaching the vacuum motor, remove the vacuum hose from its port. With a drain hose placed over a floor drain, spray out the recovery tank through the cleanout port in the front of the machine. While cleaning the tank, be sure to clean the vacuum filter. This should be performed once a month. We've removed the side of the tank to make this easier to see. Use a flashlight to make sure the filter is clean. Tip the machine forward and spray water into the tool port, while being careful not to get an excess amount of water on the battery charger cover. Return the vacuum hose to its port and store the Mopit with a cap off so the tank can dry. You can also use Mopit Deodorizer to freshen the smell of your Mopit. To use, simply pour the contents of one deodorizer pouch directly on the floor. And use the Mopit to pick up the solution, allowing the machine to run for 30 seconds. When your Mopit starts leaving streaks, it's time to change your squeegee blade. The squeegee blade is the most frequent maintenance item on the Mopit. There's 2 squeegee blade options to choose from: yellow for general use and blue for oily surfaces. With heavy Mopit use, your squeegee blade should last between 4 to 8 weeks. To change the squeegee blade,
Tip the Mopit on its back. It's easier to place it in transport mode before tipping it back. Remove the squeegee bar wing nut and pull out the squeegee insert. Discard the old squeegee blade and wrap the new one around the insert, making sure to put the insert dowels through the holes in the rubber. While holding the squeegee blade around the insert, place the dowel pin on the end of the insert into the hole in the squeegee bar. Then place the other end into the squeegee bar. Make sure the squeegee blade is even across the bar and replace the wing nut. When the Mopit isn't putting enough water on the floor, you'll need to clean the freshwater filter. Tip the Mopit on its back. Turn the manual water valve off. Remove the filter assembly from the bottom of the machine by pulling the tubing off the water valve fitting and pressing the solenoid's gray slip fit retainer ring in while sliding the tubing out. Unscrew the filter housing and remove the filter. Rinse the filter under running water until it's clean. Be sure to put the O-ring back on the filter before reinstalling. If you ever have Mopit questions or need to order parts or supplies, we're easy to reach. You can call us using our phone number found on the dashboard of the Mopit, or visit our website at www.mopit.com. Thank you for being a Mopit customer.